In today's fast-paced world, defensive driving is more crucial than ever. Join us as we explore 5 strategies to become a safer, smarter driver and enjoy a more enjoyable journey. Welcome to our guide on defensive driving. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and enhance your overall driving experience. Defensive driving goes beyond following traffic laws. It's about anticipating potential hazards and taking proactive measures to avoid them. The first strategy is maintaining a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead of you. This buffer provides ample time to react to sudden stops or unexpected situations. Leaving ample space allows you to avoid rear-end collisions and gives you more time to react to hazards. To determine the correct following distance, use the 3-second rule. Choose a fixed object on the road, and when the vehicle ahead passes it, start counting. If you reach the object before you count to 3, increase your distance. Distractions are a leading cause of accidents. This strategy emphasizes eliminating distractions and maintaining full focus on the road. Distracted driving can take many forms, such as texting, talking on the phone, or adjusting the radio. These activities divert your attention away from driving and increase the risk of accidents. By minimizing distractions, you can enhance your reaction time, decision-making, and overall driving skills. Blind spots are areas around your vehicle that cannot be seen through the mirrors. This strategy involves understanding and managing these blind spots to prevent accidents. Blind spots typically occur on the sides and rear of your vehicle. Regular adjustments of your mirrors and head position are crucial for eliminating these areas. To check blind spots, use a combination of mirrors and head movements. Before changing lanes or merging, turn your head and physically check the area to ensure it's clear. Communication is key when driving. This strategy focuses on using signals to convey your intentions to other drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists. Clear signaling helps prevent misunderstandings and accidents. It allows others to anticipate your actions and adjust accordingly. Signal effectively by using your turn signals well in advance of any maneuvers. Check your mirrors and blind spots before signaling. Avoid sudden lane changes or turns without signaling. Weather and road conditions can significantly impact driving safety. This strategy emphasizes adapting your driving to various conditions, ensuring a safer journey. When faced with adverse conditions like rain, snow, or fog, adjust your speed, increase following distance, and be extra cautious. In rain, use low beams and avoid driving through standing water. In snow, clear all windows and lights, and use snow tires for better traction. In fog, slow down, use low beams, and increase following distance. By incorporating these 5 defensive driving strategies into your daily routine, you can significantly enhance your safety on the road. Remember, defensive driving is not just about following rules, but also about being proactive, aware, and focused. Let's recap the 5 strategies. 1. Maintain a safe following distance. 2. Avoid distractions. 3. Be aware of blind spots. 4. Signal your intentions clearly. And 5. Drive defensively in adverse conditions. Adopt these strategies today and become a safer driver and help make our roads a better place for everyone. Join us in creating a more responsible driving community for everyone's benefit. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more life-saving driving tips from Illinois Safety Consultants.